All right, let's go into Resorts World. Putting something special together. Check out the VW. Check out this VW. Looks all squished up. That's cool, right? It's right here by Carver Steaks. There's Brezza. That actually goes up to the conference center for Donna Gardens, and we're gonna go to all the rest of the stuff. Nice bar, Brezza. Zazu. Frozen drinks, coffee, beers. It's kind of an interesting bar. Aqua. Seafood and caviar restaurant. Oh, let's go see the car back there. That's cute. Oh, it's a piano. Look. There's a seat and a piano. Music comes out top. How thoughtful is that? Zouk. Fred Segal, Fuhu, Wally's. I am not even going to attempt that name. It's Japanese. Here's the 8. I want to try 8. This looks like fun. It's a lounge. Drink lounge cigars. Doghouse sports book is this area. Viva by Ray Garcia. Back there you can see that big ginormous ball, which is really, really cool. There's the Gatsby Restaurant. Let's go back here where the sports book is. Here's your casino. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the nice, beautiful roof, beautiful carpet. Sun's out, buns out. Randy's Donuts. Oh, famous Randy's Donuts from LA. And then you got eggs, a good place for your eggs. Randy's Donuts. Good breakfast spot, let me tell you. There's Junior's. I think that's another LA place. Yeah, sensational sandwiches start at $25. I think I'll take the $15 ones. So here's Junior's. We have a bar. It's like a typical sit-down restaurant. Casino, got all your favorite. There's that giant buffalo game again. And again, for all you newbies, this is the place you can get your ATM. They do charge you for using the machines, but you also, when you win on the slot machines, they give you a paper ticket, and this is where they reimburse the paper tickets. So yeah, we're gonna go back over in that area. I do love this hotel. There's Crystal's Bar. It's the Crockford's Club. I guess it's completely separate from, they have a bar there. They have their own machines and table games. There's craps, of course, my favorite. This is actually the place that has the ride that goes from Resorts World, here, we're here, Resorts World, and it goes to the convention center. It's the Tesla Loop, Tesla Vegas Loop. This is their cashier and loyalty service, which is smart to combine the two. Oh, look at this machine over there. I'm always for new machines, but check this out. Wow. Buffalo. And look at the horse racing game. So when you're actually here at Resorts World, there is so much to do here. Take you back to the poker room to check it out. Yeah, look at it. It's a nice poker room. Yeah, very nice. Very nice poker room. Straight ahead out the glass doors is where you go to park your car if you're gonna park them in one of the stacks. Here's Crossroads. This is a plant-based dining. Crossroads Kitchen. It's really cute, right? It's all plant-based. A nice bar. Doghouse. Oh, check out this. Yeah, isn't that cool? Resorts World. Genting Rewards. That's their reward system here. Genting Doghouse. It's beautiful in here. Carrie Underwood. Yep, that's Carrie Underwood. Here's a Starbucks, another Starbucks. And here's your theater. This is where you would go to see shows. You'd go to see shows. I currently do not have a single idea. Let's see, Brett Young, Chris Young, Colin Yost, Christian, let's see if they cycle that. Carrie Underwood, November. Oh, now through October, so she's playing here. Oh, Carrie Underwood. Theater store. Doghouse. Pretty cool, right? Look how big that place is. It's a big sports bar. Oh, look at the Mouse House. For breakfast. It's the Mouse House. Gourmet grilled cheese. Oh, this is awesome. I like it in here. Never been in there. Good place to go. Yeah, casino straight ahead. It's a big casino. I like the way they centralize it so it's not all kind of spread out. Here's the sports book over here. So the Dog House is part of the sports book. This is where you would come to go to the sports book. Oh yeah. It's nice and comfortable in here. It's not like you're big, ginormous. There's where you actually buy your tickets. Yeah, pretty nice, right? Willie Mays died, age 93. He lived a nice, full life. Hero for many. Okay, that was the Dog House in the sports book. And this is the side where you go out, park your car in the garage. The garage is just over there. I don't know if you can see it through the door. Famous foods, street seats. Now this is where I want to eat. They have a lot of different stuff. It's more of a busy weekend type place. This place is teeming. There's the Burger Barn, fish and chips. There's some stuff you can buy. Wu-Zang, look for dumplings. Peking duck burritos and tacos. The Pizza's Kitchen. This is Tiger Sugar. Yeah, this is their little dining hall. Texas barbecue. Blood Brothers. That's the one I want to try. This is the Blood Brothers. Texas barbecue. Oh, look at the ice cream. Street Bird fried chicken. The Nori bar. Oh, look at all that. Belgian waffles, pastries. Oh, look at all that. Yummy. The Nori bar, sushi, sake, and hand rolls. And here's one of the bars that goes with the eating area. Teriyaki Bowls, nachos, Micho's tacos. Oh, look at that super nacho. Super nacho. And famous pho. So you got teriyaki bowls, you got famous pho, and of course more casino. Famous food street seats. Check him out. Tiesto. Look at the cool cat. Cool kitty. Plenty of casino here, folks. Plenty of games. Grand jackpot. And I did want to show you where the Tesla Vegas loop actually is. It's back here with the big giant ball. Isn't that a cute little bar right there? Those little globes. Now here's a craps machine. So we've been back here. We were kind of back here earlier. Kind of made our way. And there's the bar. 8 Drink Lounge Cigars. Open nightly. Racing Miami, Las Vegas. It's kind of a weird message. Oh, they got it closed off, but anyway, this is, so you see the sign, Vegas Loop to the Las Vegas Convention Center. Welcome. Please scan so you can scan that code. Just make sure you get that. You can scan that code but then it goes down, and the Teslas will take you on like a 5-minute ride to the convention center. So if you stay here during convention, this is the place. Fred Segal, Zook, Fuhu, Starbucks upstairs there, another one. That looks more like a relaxed area. Yeah, all this is more open during the night. Meticulously engineered at Cuts. Misbehaving Beauty Bar, Fred Segal. Found by Fred Segal. Mulberry Street Pizzeria. And then this is Red Tail by Zook. Liquor infused ice cream. Why could you not be open right now at noontime? I would love to try some of that. Liquor infused. Here's the Zook nightclub, the Fuhu. Let's go down here. Zook, Lil Wayne, Friday, July the 12th. So yeah, this is the beginning of Zook and across. It's only about noon here, so it's still kind of quiet. Look at this Ford Mustang. Wisconsin. Happy Boy drifting. Look at the seat inside there. Yeah, this car was made for drifting. Definitely made for drifting. Very cool, right? It's T-Pain. There's Iron Mike. Iron Mark Tyson. Born in Brownsville, New York. Mike Tyson became a legend at the age of 20, holding the record as the youngest boxer ever to win a heavyweight title. Wow. That is awesome. You know, he's like anybody else. He's made his mistake. Carry your underwear